Hi, my name is Abhishek, and in this video I will be demonstrating the use of a weather application that I have been currently working on. Before starting, there is an important point for you to know, and that is the app is configured. The app is configured to be run on phones of screen sizes less than or equal to 5.5 inches. Uh, Later, on the basis of availability, I will be configuring this app for screen sizes which are greater than 5.5 inches. So let's start by starting the application, and when you start the application you get to see these things, that is enter your city name, and there is a button over here which I will explain you what it does exactly, and here's the weather button which you press to get the weather updates. So whenever you start typing the name of the city, all the cities with that letters appears up, and you can select from one of them. So let's start by typing something, and see, as I typed BLO, all the cities with BLO have listed here, have come up, and I select one of them, let's say Bloomington, Indiana. Now you can get the weather conditions by either pressing this weather button or this go button. So let's start by pressing this go button. Okay, so when I press the go button, a screen appears up which says you that you can swipe left or right for hourly and daily forecast, and press OK to exit. So this is just an instruction for the user to know that there is a swipe facility available, and we will just press OK to exit the screen. So this is the current conditions fragment that comes up, which shows the name of the city, the state, and the country, and it shows the weather description and the corresponding weather icon over here. And as you can see, the background is rainy, so this background changes each time this weather condition changes. So for few clouds there would be something else, for thunderstorms there would be something else, for clear sky there would be something else, and so on. So these are the four data that the user can get, that is the temperature, the pressure, the humidity, and the wind. So let's press at this temperature, and as you can see, the fly animation is working. This shows you the current conditions, that is the current temperatures of this place, and the current minimum temperature and the current maximum temperature. This will show you the pressure value, the humidity value, and the wind speed. These are the four basic values that I feel a user should get, and these are the most necessary ones. Now he can obviously click back to go to the last state, and we will swipe now to check the daily forecast. So as you can see how I am swiping it, and how I have made this first fragment transparent to allow us to see the daily forecast from the back side as soon as I start swiping, to make it a good user look, and make it simple and beautiful. So here it comes, the daily forecast, which shows you a 16-day forecast in this area, and you can scroll to see those all 16 days forecast, where you get the date and the weather description with the corresponding icon and the minimum and maximum temperatures. So right now I have worked only on these two screens, and the hourly forecast is yet to be worked on. So this view pager consists of only two screens right now, and I am using this depth page transformer to show this thing. We can also use zoom out transformer, that is other animation facility provided by the view pager. So these are the main conditions here, and we will go back, and I will show first let's just check this, click this weather to find the temperature conditions. Let's say Bloomingdale, New Jersey, and you press weather. So okay, so it comes up here, and as you see, the sky is clear, this icon changes and the background changes, the rest remains the same. So okay, now what's this button, and what happens over here? Now every time the user exits the app and comes back, he will have to write the name of the city again and again. So I have provided a nice feature for the user to save the name of the place that he wants to see the temperature very often, and you can just type in the name and press this save button. So the name of that city will be saved here in this list, and you can anytime go back and come again, and you will always find this city name in this list to be there. So you can directly press on this, and you can have the weather conditions for that place. You can have more than one names here, and later you can scroll. So as you see, let me just enter a few names, and so as you can see that we can scroll up and down and select anyone that we want. At any point of time, if you feel that you have entered quite a lot number of names in this list, you can easily delete any one of them using this cut button over here. Just press this cut button and it gets deleted. So don't be afraid. Like if you delete, only that list will be deleted and rest all will be here. And whenever you exit and come back, these two will always be there, which you left in the at the last time. So I think this is quite a good feature which comes handy and preserves a lot of time and gives you a lot of time. So you can at any point of time just empty this and you come back here. So this is the thing. So yeah, that's the main thing that I have done now, and soon I will be completing with the hourly forecast and uploading this app on the Google Play Store for the users to use. So thank you for watching.